Have you ever wondered how some individuals effortlessly stand out at work while others struggle to get noticed? It's a common misconception that the key to standing out is being the loudest or most visible in the room. However, true distinction at work is less about being seen and more about being impactful. In this video, we'll uncover unique insights and effective strategies that can help you stand out in a meaningful way. Remember, standing out at work is less about being the loudest and more about being the most impactful. Most people believe that to stand out, they need to be the most vocal, the most visible. But is that really the case? Let's unpack this common misconception. Often, we equate visibility to value. We think that by being the loudest or the most seen, we are creating impact, but this isn't always true. Think about it. Who would you value more? The colleague who's always talking but saying little of substance, or the one who speaks less but when they do, it's insightful, well thought out, and adds to the conversation? It's a classic case of quality over quantity. Being the loudest or most visible can sometimes backfire. It can come across as attention-seeking, or worse, as a cover for lack of substance. And that's not the kind of attention anyone wants. So remember, standing out isn't about being the loudest or most visible. It's about making a meaningful contribution. Being the loudest in the room often makes noise, not impact. If being the loudest isn't the key, then what is? The answer lies in one word: value. But what does it mean to add value? It's not just about being the hardest worker or the most knowledgeable. It's about making a tangible difference, about contributing something unique that enhances the team or the project. Imagine you're part of a team working on a major project. You're not the team leader, but you spot a potential issue that no one else has noticed it. You bring it up, propose a solution, and help avert a potential disaster. That's adding value. Or maybe you're the one who always knows how to lighten the mood in a tense situation, keeping morale high and helping everyone stay focused. That's value too. Value comes in many forms, but the common thread is this: it makes things better. When you consistently add value, you don't just stand out, you become indispensable. So how can you start adding value today? Let's dive right in. First, become a detective of sorts in your work environment. Identify gaps in processes, areas of inefficiency, or tasks that could be done better. Don't just point out these gaps, offer solutions. Be the problem solver your team didn't know they needed. Next, focus on self-improvement. Develop your skills, broaden your knowledge base. Remember, an employee who is constantly learning and growing is an asset. But don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share it with your team. Help them grow too. Finally, cultivate a positive attitude. Positivity is contagious, and a happy workplace is a productive one. Be the person who uplifts others, who encourages them, who helps them see the good amidst the chaos. Remember, adding value isn't a one-time act, it's a continuous process. So start today and keep going every single day. You'll be amazed at the difference you can make. Now that you know the secret to standing out at work, it's time to put it into action. Start by adding value in your own unique way. We're excited to see how these insights will transform your professional journey. And remember, we're in this together. Connect with us, share your experiences, your challenges, your triumphs. Have a question? Drop it in the comments below. Interested in more insights like these? Feel free to subscribe or explore our other content. Don't just stand out, be outstanding. Start today and share your journey with us.